Hi everyone and welcome to ICO Investor, and in today's video you're going to learn about two incredible exchanges for crypto, and you will see the different features that you have in each one that can help you to maximize your profits in crypto and hopefully make a lot of money. So make sure to watch till the end. Please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, so in today's video, we're going to compare between two incredible exchanges for cryptos. The first one is Binance and the second is Kucoin. Now, they are both very easy to use, very comfortable. So whether if you're a beginner or an advanced, both are an incredible platforms to learn to actually get started with crypto, whether if you want to buy, to sell, or whether if you want also to earn. Okay, so for example, in Kucoin, you can actually earn, click in here, and then you will be able to actually start using stable coins, earn stable coins just from putting it there, meaning that you don't need to do anything else. You're just putting them in some kind of like saving accounts, and then you just click on subscribe after a specific period of time that it's not actually saving, it's more staking. So you actually click on subscribe, and then in the end of the time, you will actually be able to get back the money that you put plus some interest. So it's incredible because it's absolutely the most passive income that you can actually get from crypto. You just put there your money and it's just working for you, and you're actually going to get specific percentage of what you put. So it's incredible. Also in Binance, you have this option. So you click on Binance and then you get to earn. Then after you clicked on earn, so you can click or on savings or on staking or on earn. Also, you can do it on BNB vaults and actually put your money in there. And also you can do liquidity farming, you can do dual investments, but this is something that is more for advanced. Also, you have the opportunity to auto invest. So let's say that, for example, you want to dollar cost average, which is a strategy for people that don't want to just stay on the market all the time and look every single day. So we just want to invest automatically. So you can actually click on auto invest and actually decides that it automatically will invest a specific amount on crypto, on a specific crypto or multiple cryptos at the same time, every single week, every single month, whatever you decide. Now, you also can stake, as you can see in here, and you have very easy ways to stake. As you can see that you can lock your different cryptos for different durations of time, and you will get a specific API. Now, API mean that you will get yearly. So let's say that you put it yearly, the specific coin. So after a year, you will get back the specific amount of coin that you put plus the interest that you can see in here. Now, it's estimated, as you can see in here. So it's not exactly always like that. And also you can see that some of them are sold out. So you need to make sure that if there is a specific coin that you have, make sure that you will check in other days. So maybe it's not sold out and the option is available. Now, also you can do DeFi staking. It's very easy to do. You just click on stake now, and then you make sure that you decide which amount you want to stake. And of course that you need to pass the minimum amount. Now, in aspects of trading, to trade on Binance is very comfortable, and you can do the classic, and also you can do different advanced. Okay, so first of all, you click on markets, so you will be able to see the different coins. You will see that it's actually organized by different coins. So let's say coins for the metaverse. So for metaverse, DeFi, gaming, coins for NFTs and stuff like that, polka dots. Like you can see that everything is very detailed. Now, if you want to get started, you can click on one of the coins, and then you will see, or in a classic trade view or in advanced. Let's see classic just for the example. And then you will be able to see here, as you can see, that you just can see in different graphs, and you can see in different features in different times. You can see the different candles, different movements of the price, the supply, then demand of the different cryptos. And you can actually get started with purchasing very easy. You can spot, meaning that you can also do trading. You can buy it in a specific market price, and that's it. You can put some stop limits and stop loss. So let's say that you heard that on the news there's going to be something crazy. So in order that you won't lose too much, or you want to get amount that you want in value, so you can do that. And after you register and log in and put some cryptos or purchasing, and then after you will log in or register and you will put the specific amounts that you want, you will be able to sleep tight at night and know that you put it the right way. Now, in Kucoin, the option is very easy as well. You can also do trading, meaning that you can choose different options and different features, whether it's to put long or or to put shorts, you can put a position that you will earn if the price will go up, so it's long, and you can put and earn even if the price will go down if you put it on a short position. So make sure that you're doing your own research about the different cryptos before you decide. Of course, that you can change the different coins that you want to see the different changes about. So let's say, for example, you want to see on the metaverse, let's see Sand Views USDT. So you can see that the view and Kucoin is very different actually from Binance. So it really comes to what's comfortable for you, because there are traders, for example, that love to trade in one small screen or on their phone, and there are people that love to see in multiple screens, and it's very easy for them. When it comes to how to put the price and to set up the different prices and different sand to write the specific amount, it's actually the same, because there are both trading platforms has the features that you need in order to get started. The difference is that the spot is in here, and in Kucoin it's in here. You can see also isolated margin, and you can put leverage in here as well. You can also use futures, and you also have in Binance futures, but I will show you in a minute how it's in Binance. As you can see, the futures in here is detailed. If you want to expand, you can scroll, you will be able to see. You can see the candles in different time frames, like you can see in Binance. Like, it's very easy. And you have also tools in here, so if you're doing some calculations, so you can also draw. So when you want to actually analyze to understand more in details about the graph, if you see there is a specific direction that you think that the coin is going, you're more than welcome to draw in here. It's very helpful if you know how to do trading. If you don't, you can learn. It's taking a little bit of time to understand the process, but when you learn it, it's like a language, okay? Like, you will be able to get started. It's not something that's very complicated, but it's things that you need to learn. Like everything else that you want to be good at, earn money, you need to learn. In Kucoin also, you have the different references. So let's say that you have in here index. So when you click on index, so you will be able to see different historical values of different coins. It's very helpful when you're thinking on investing, especially for the long term, because when you want to see a specific contract and to understand for the long term, it will be smart to invest. So look in historically values index. It's very, very easier to understand, okay? And also you of course can draw in here as well, and you can expand the size so you can see the different candles. So if you understand in trading, so you know that there are different candles with different meanings, okay? And yeah, as I said, you can do that also on Binance as well. If you want to do it with your phone and you don't have a computer in hand all the time, or in general, just it's easier for you to use on your phone. A lot of people are doing that on Kucoin, and also in Binance you can scan a specific barcode and then you can install it on your iOS or your Android. So it really doesn't matter, and it's very easy to use on the computer. For example, to me it's easier to do it on a computer because I love to see everything that is very detailed, and I love to see the graphs and different screens. So usually I do it with multiple screens. But when I'm looking on potential coin to buy or not, or to sell, now if you want to actually download Binance, so you can actually click on download, okay? And then you actually can scan the barcode in here and to download your own, or you can click on more download options, and you see that you can actually also download a trading platform to your own computer. So whether if you have a Linux, Windows, or a Mac, you can download it, and it's very easy and very comfortable to do so. When it comes to fees, so I think this is something that's very, very unique in Binance, that when you want to actually withdraw, so you don't have fees like at all. So you click on fees, okay, you scroll down on Binance and then you click on fees, and then you see that you also can get discounts on different spot trading fees or on futures. It depends on your level and stuff like that. Now, as you can see in here, you can also, if you're using BNB, so there is fee deduction on spot trading fee, you can get 25% off. Futures trading, you can get on 10% off on USD. On deposit and withdrawal fees, as I said, you don't have at all fees on deposit or on withdrawal on crypto on Binance, which is incredible, because in most exchanges, also in Kucoin, you have fees on withdrawal and depositing. Now, it's not something that is a real bummer, but it's something that it helps, because you know you have in crypto a lot of fees in general, like you have the gas fees and you have the trading fees. So when you want to withdraw your profit, it's fun to know that you don't need to pay fees. Now, the beauty in Binance, as I said, is that you don't have deposit fees at all, okay? So also in most crypto exchanges, you have fees on depositing as well. For each withdrawal, there is a flat fee that is paid by users to cover the transaction cost that is moving the cryptocurrencies out of Binance account. Now, the withdrawal rates are determined by the blockchain network and can be fluctuated without notice due to different factors. So make sure that you check the most recent data that is listed on the withdrawal page, and that way you won't be surprised about the different fees. When it comes to trading fees, as you can see in here, it's changing from whether if you're a maker or a taker in the spot trading. It depends also the amounts that you're investing and stuff like that, or buying, or if we're looking on futures, for example, it's changing, okay, from time to time. It's not always, if you're calculating on the different fees, you need to make sure that you're looking on it, okay? And also you have liquidity swap fees. So also you need to click in here, and then it will be easier for you to see. If you want to see the different coins, you just click, let's say for Gala vs BNB. So you can see that you have a fee of 0.2% according to today. Now, if you want to see the fees, as I said in Kucoin, you just scroll down, click on fees, and then you will get to this page, and you will see that, for example, on futures, when you click on futures, so you can see different fees on different contracts. Now, if you click on spot, so as you can see that it depends on the different coins, and you can see that if you're a maker or a taker, it sometimes changes and sometimes it doesn't matter. But make sure that before you're doing trading, one of the aspects that you're looking when you're doing spot trading is to look on the different fees. Now, also, it depends on the class that you are in, because if you're in a different class and you're choosing a different class, now if you go on deposit and withdrawal, so you can see that there is a pretty different for every coin, and there's also minimum amount. Make sure that when you're withdrawing, you try to withdraw as much as possible in every time, and that way you can actually pay the least fees possible. But those fees are very, very low in comparing to other markets. So also Kucoin and also Binance are great in the aspect of fees. Now, according to Business Wire, Kucoin actually have over 500 digital assets that it currently provides, like spot trading, margin trading, peer-to-peer fiat trading, future trading, staking and landing, and as you've seen in the website, much, much more. They also have an incredible trading bot that I've seen that there is very good reviews on it. So make sure that you do your due diligence and read about how to use it in order to make the best of it. Now, you can see that you have also a spot grid, future grid, smart rebalance. So it really depends on you. For example, the smart rebalance, so it actually helps you to spread your risks. It's very beneficial for people that are thinking for the long term and want to maximize their profits. Process is very simple. You select a strategy, invest the funds, and start earning. It's very, very passive. You just do it. If you want to see the ones that are running, currently I don't have ones because I'm not logging in, but you will see when you will click on running what's are doing right now, and then if you click on profits, you will see your own, and if you want to learn, you can click on tutorial. In Binance also, you have the possibility to earn, as I showed you with staking. You also have different ways like classic trading. You can do advanced, you can increase your profits by using leverage on what you're actually trading with, and also you have different strategies in here that you can actually use. You have also peer-to-peer bank transfer in here, and you have more than 100 plus options. So if you want to learn, you can get to Binance.com, and then you can get started by clicking the link down below. And if you want to get to Kucoin also, you can get by clicking the link down below. In Binance, first of all, when you sign up, so you need to upload your ID document. So whether it's like, let's say it's your driving license or your passport. And after that, you need to also upload your phone number and also your email. So the process of the verification is very, 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 very detailed in order that they will know for sure that is you. The authentication of Binance is very, very, very detailed. So first of all, when you're logged in from a specific new device, so of course that they are sending you an SMS and an email, and actually making sure that you are a person that logging in to your account. And another way that they're actually doing it, first of all, you have a password. You have the idea that when you want to withdraw, so you have different questions that they need to make sure that it's you and it's not a robot or someone else. So you also have a lot of details about you. There's a recommendation that I've heard from a lot of people that you need to change your password every once in a while. So also make sure that you do that. Now on Binance, you have two-factor authentication method. You need to actually enable at least one, but it's very recommended to do two. Advanced traders will tell you that it's important to do that, to use the two factors. And the main reason is because when you're using the two factors, you actually increase the security of your account. Now on Kucoin, you have two options. First of all is to open the Google Authenticator, app on your phone. Then you may or scan a QR code with your phone. It will set up your Google Authenticator for Kucoin, and then you can start generating the 6-digit code for you. And you may also put your email address linked to your Kucoin account. In Binance, it's very recommended to use as much authenticators possible in crypto, because of course that both of them are very secure platforms, but for that you will be able to sleep tight at night, it's important that also you will do your own duties, which is actually to use the authenticator, because when you actually have your password and you have your email, it's great, but when you have more we'll call it fences that protect you, it's great. Actually also very relaxing to know that you have more protection on your portfolio of crypto, because hopefully you will have a lot of money in it that you will earn. So make sure that you do it as secure as possible. The final thoughts that I have on Kucoin and Binance is that they are both very easy to use platform, which is great because first of all, it's very important when you're trading crypto or purchasing, and especially if you're a beginner, that the things will be clear, easy, and simple. Okay, because when you're, and simple meaning with not a lot of steps to do, because as a beginner it's very easy to lose focus or to do things wrong. So make sure that you're doing it very easily. And those platforms, Kucoin and Binance, are both platforms that are very easy to use. Also, you have tutorials about literally anything that you need on Kucoin online, and also in their website they have their support and you can ask any question that you have, and you also have beginner's guides so you can actually learn a lot from it. On Binance you also have a lot of explanations. Okay, if you want you can click in here and get to the academy, and it's very easy to learn from it. It's very simple. If you're feeling like it's too complicated or something like that, just you can submit a request or actually go to the support center, and then you will be able to find answers. And if you don't, you will be able to also contact with a representative, and they are very kind, easy, and you can talk with them 24/7. So it's great. My final thought is that they are both great, incredible platforms, also for advanced and also for beginners. Make sure that when you're using it, you will learn how to use them properly and safely. So thanks again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like, and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our ICO Investor channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.